people? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods Pros. We are first introduced to the introduction card, which includes a small manual on how to operate the AirPods Pro and how to connect it to your device. All Apple AirPods can be used on any device, even Android phones and Windows laptops. A few more regulations. Put all of these to a side. Next up, we are introduced to the AirPods Pros. They have a wireless charging case. We just unravel them, flip right out. Here is the AirPods Pro. There's a small hinge, and the two AirPods Pros are inside. Here. Underneath, it looks like we have a small pull tab. So this part of the case does come out. And we are introduced to what I believe is, here are the other tips for the AirPods Pros. It has 3 sets. Inside we have a Lightning to USB-C charging cable, and there is no included power brick inside.